There's a bird in the house, isn't there, Harry?
Yeah.
Bird in the house. They've got a bird in the house. Oh my god, there's a random bird in the house. Oh my god, I don't want it to jump. It's scary. I have to run back outside. Oh my god. This is scary. I know, this is so scary. Oh my god, it's rather, it might be in the bathroom. Oh my, I don't want a bird to just jump up and scare me. I'm not getting scared by a bird. Don't do that. Oh my god, where is it? In case you didn't know, I'm horrified of birds in the house. I do. It feels weird. Well, oh my god, where is the bird? What the hell? No, where? Oh my god, the bird's just upstairs. Where is it? I'm not posting this on YouTube just for a live. I'm not sending this on YouTube if there's no damn bird here. What if it went upstairs secretly? Secretly went upstairs. Oh my god, where is this bird? Birdie! I just want to be your friend. There's a damn bird in this damn house.
Yeah, Kieran and video on his iPad. Video on iPad. Guys, the bird is outside the house.
There's a bird in the house.
Yeah, there's a bird in the house. Wait, it's not there.